Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the SOG Terminus XR LTE. This model features a 2.95-inch CPM S35 blade. Definitely like to see that they're starting to use that S35 more and more, because it is excellent. It's about 7.17 inches overall. Definitely a really good size for an EDC. Incredibly lightweight too, because of that carbon fiber, because it only comes in at 2.2 ounces. I really like the size too. Nice and smooth, really easy to use, especially with that their new XR lock. Makes it super easy to open and close. This model actually has a reversible clip as well. Little hole for the clip to go into. Just a really nice knife. And I like how it gives you the option, because not everybody likes the flipper, and some people just prefer a good old-fashioned thumb stud. But just really versatile. So make sure to get your new SOG Terminus XR today at Blade Ops.